Hi, cordial greeting. My name is John Alejandro Castillo, student Harvard in the Stanford University UNA. I were two questions. Why are you good trip? I'm January. Why city please are you going to visit Medellin? Why are you tested? I hope my brother. Why are you going to bring gloves for stay? Why are you invite on trip? And hi my family. Why had TV? Will you please why with me? When you money will you speak what is with in my with your brain I swear from your vacation is showing all I photograph.